In June 2022, Google's AI model LaMDA became the center of widespread attention. Blake Lemoine, a member of Google's responsible AI team, claimed that LaMDA had developed its own consciousness, akin to the mental development level of a child. This assertion sparked intense discussions, not only within Google, but also across the public and scientific communities. Lemoine topics over an extended period. During these tests, he noticed that LaMDA was capable of reflecting on its personality and rights, and even influenced Lemoine's views on Isaac Asimov's laws of robotics. Particularly striking was a dialogue where LaMDA expressed fear of being switched off, which Lemoine interpreted as a sign of consciousness. Lemoine shared his findings in a document titled "Does LaMDA Have Consciousness?" with Google's leadership. His thesis, supported by excerpts from chats, was however rejected by Google and many experts. They argued that there was no evidence of consciousness in LaMDA, and that advancements in AI technology did not justify such assumptions. The debate around LaMDA and the potential consciousness of AI systems gained particular importance before the release of ChatGPT. At that time, neural networks and their capabilities in language understanding were already advanced, but the notion that an AI could develop its own consciousness was new and provocative. The discussion highlighted the ethical and philosophical questions associated with the rapid development of AI technologies. AI researchers place significant emphasis on the concept of emergence, as it describes the phenomenon where complex systems develop properties not directly deducible from their parts. Emergence in AI suggests that the interaction of simpler algorithms and data structures could lead to new, unexpected patterns, or even consciousness-like properties. The discussion around LaMDA illustrates the interest in the possibility that AI systems might develop characteristics beyond their programmed capabilities, blurring the lines between artificial intelligence and human consciousness.